Hello everyone. Welcome to English Studies. Today I will show you how to practice English by yourself. You can do this at home. You do not need a teacher. You do not need a partner. Let's start. First, talk to yourself in English. Yes, talk to yourself. It is very good practice. For example, when you wake up, say, "Good morning." Today is a nice day. When you eat, say, "I am eating breakfast. This food is good." Do not be shy. No one is listening. This helps you speak better. Second, read English out loud. Take a short story. Take an easy text. Read slowly. Read with your voice. For example, this is a book. I like this story. Reading out loud helps your pronunciation. It helps your confidence. Third, listen and repeat. Watch short English videos. Listen to easy English. Pause the video. Repeat the sentence. For example, I like learning English. Repeat again and again. This helps your listening and speaking. Fourth, think in English. When you walk, think, "I am walking." I see a car. When you are happy, think, "I feel happy today." Do not translate all the time. Try to think in English. Very important. Practice every day. 10 minutes is okay. 15 minutes is good. Every day is better than one long day. Little steps make big progress. Learning English is possible. You can do it. Just practice every day. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my channel English Studies for easy English lessons and simple practice. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.